Hello, the following video is a step-by-step guide on how to install this faucet. Take out all of the contents and check that everything is there. Remove the nut on the bottom of the faucet, the metal disc, and the rubber gasket. Once the hole is measured, correctly insert the hose and the wire into the hole in the basin. Tighten the screw after replacing the metal nut and the rubber gasket. Take note of the arrow illustrating the flow direction, the rubber cover on the power inlet, and the connection to the sensor. Remove the cap to access the solenoid for cleaning or to install a 9-volt battery. Reconnect the solenoid to the cover. When installing a 9-volt battery, align the positive side with the plus symbol on the cover. Seal the battery box by replacing the cover and tightening the screw. Connect the faucet inlet to the cook connector, the cable to the sensor, and the transformer to the power inlet. Ensure that everything is connected firmly. Once the power is connected, the LED will blink to confirm that there is power to the faucet. Open the water main, wash your hands, and enjoy. Thank you.